What is up, you guys, and welcome back for another Halloween tutorial. So today I'm bringing you another Halloween look for Lady Frankenstein. So if you guys haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that red button down below. So if you would like to know how I created this look, make sure you guys stay tuned and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so the first thing I did was start off by applying some tape so that way I don't mess up with my wing. And second, we're gonna go ahead and start off with the eyes first. So you want to make sure you use some eyeshadow primer for your eyes. Now for the first eyeshadow, I'm going to apply some purple one, and this is from the Rainbow Palette, and this is the purple color that I'm going to be using. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm going to be using a darker purple on top of it. Which is this one right here. I'm going to be using the same brush. Now with a black pencil, we're gonna go ahead and do like a line, but instead of going down in your has your normal eyebrows, we're gonna flip it a little bit or swirl it a little bit. I'm going to use the Urban Decay 24/7 in the color 0, and I'm going to use this as a charcoal color and apply this in the waterline. And going back with the purple, we're going to go ahead and apply it underneath the eyes. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my eyelashes off camera, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, ladies, so now we're going to go ahead and turn ourselves green. So for that, I'm going to be using this green cream makeup, and this thing costs only $1, and I got this at Target. to be careful once we get to the eyebrows and the eyes. Now that we're done applying the green color, I'm going to go ahead and add some details to the face, and I'm going to add some like blue shadows on the side of my forehead and side over here from the cheeks. I'm going to apply some yellow eyeshadow as well. You can hardly tell, but alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start out with the most important part from this character, which are the stitches. So for that, I'm gonna use the black eyeliner. And I'm gonna be using the NYX Epic black eyeliner. Hopefully there's some still in here, so let's go ahead and start with that. Okay, now that I'm done with the lines and the stitches, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Born to Run eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna use the Yet color in black, and I'm just gonna apply some more some eyeshadow, just sort of like a comic, just to make it more creative. Now to finish up this look, I'm going to go ahead and use my Maybelline Superstay Matte ink, and this is number 20 in Pioneer, and this is in a red color. Alright you guys, so this is the complete look for the Lady Frankenstein. I really do hope you guys enjoyed these Halloween tutorial, and if you decide to create this look, make sure you tag me on Instagram because I would like to see your pictures and how you created it. So this was an easy tutorial for you guys to do. So once again, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.